Now this is clearly a race car, it just looks funny because it doesn't have a front wing. Alright, there's a front wing. Where's the pit crew though? There we go, now we have some downforce. So welcome into my office, another office, my office for the autumn time. In case you're wondering what I've been up to for the like last month or so, it's pretty much this. I indeed have a farm, and we're harvesting some wheat here today. This is my summer job. I do this during the summer mostly, and during the winter time I like do computer related stuff mainly. So yeah, I guess it's your like standard combination. Farmer nerd. I guess like I'm lucky that I have some variety in my life. But yeah, it's been quite busy lately, that's why it's been kind of slow on my YouTube channel. As I said during the previous live stream, all my hobbies basically are on hold at the moment because of all the work that I have. And I decided to like record a little video of harvesting. This is now a harvesting channel. Maybe next we'll move on to like farming simulators or something. No, I really don't need to. I get plenty enough of farming as it is. So yeah, this is basically everything I have to harvest, and then I'll be done. It's like a day. 1 day of work left with this, and then obviously I have a queue of other work waiting for me, but hopefully we'll get back to racing soon enough. On my last live stream we managed to reach our halfway point of the fundraiser, Save the Children fundraiser. Please check out the description of this video if you want to donate. Our goal is $2,000 and we're halfway there yet. Actually there's like $900 to reach and then we'll reach our goal, but our halfway goal, the idea was that if we reach that, then I will do a sprint season of Grand Prix 2, and I don't know yet if that's going to be the next thing I'm going to do, or will it be IndyCar Racing 2. I'll probably not Grand Prix 4 yet. I want to wait till I have a little bit more time for that. And in this area the wheat is kind of beaten up by the rain, so I have to kind of harvest it very low. It's annoying and dangerous because there are rocks in this field, and you don't want to harvest rocks. That's bad. It's very, very bad. I've already broken some stuff doing that. Alright, the container is pretty much full, so let's go and empty it. always forget the handbrake. All in all, we've had like a good summer in Finland. There's been enough heat, there's been like rain, and the crops altogether is rather good this season, which is obviously pretty a good thing because of the food crisis that's going on in the world. But yeah, as I said before, I don't have a lot to talk about here, and like this thing is kind of eating up my concentration. This is the kind of like vehicle I don't want to crash. So it's different if you crash something in a video game. Well, there's not much stuff to crash into here, but as I said before, it's kind of in places the wheat has been beaten down by the rain, and there are rocks here, so kind of have to be careful about that. I was at some point playing with the idea of streaming this harvesting stuff. It would be kind of interesting, but yeah, requires a good internet connection, obviously, especially if you want to do it in high quality. And you know, on places there are very good mobile networks, so it should be doable. But maybe next year. Like let's empty the container once again. So yeah, hope you like, I don't know how interesting this is, but like a little sneak peek of what I do. I'm sorry about the dirty windows. The windows, well, they kind of get dirty when you harvest. There's a lot of dust in the air. It's actually quite nice that I've had so much work lately, because I was starting to like get a little bit like fed up with all the racing sim stuff. I've been doing a lot of it, especially like getting ready for the Grand Prix 4 season with all the problems that I had with the game. I needed to do a lot of testing and driving, and I kind of got fed up with it. But now that I've been working for like couple of months straight, without any time for sim racing or well, other stuff as well, now I start building appetite again, which is good, and I can't wait to get back on it. And currently I do think that I want to do some IndyCar racing too, because it's been a while, and next up it'll be like one of my favorite circuits, which is the Long Beach street course. Enjoy that track a lot, so it's either that or well, depends on how much time I have for preparing for the race. If I don't have that much, we're going to do the sprint season in Grand Prix 2, because like that doesn't require as much practice. That game honestly is quite a bit easier. Well, depends on the track, depends on the car you're driving, but so yeah, my GoPro is pretty much running out of battery, so I guess that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this little harvesting video. Something completely different for a change, but this channel won't turn into a farming channel, nor will it be a farming simulator channel. It's not the beef of this thing. We're getting back to racing. But I thought it would be fun to like get out at least some sort of a video during my busy harvesting season. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Also remember the fundraiser. As I said before, everything you need is in the description of this video. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next race. Bye bye.